Alright, we're just gonna go on a short ride to downtown Columbia, not too far, but just a relaxing day today as far as the ride goes, so we're not gonna do anything crazy. Just kind of enjoy the day, enjoy getting to ride the bike, enjoy the sound of the exhaust, have our little fun along the way, of course, but riding this thing since the Works exhaust has just been a whole changing experience that's been really fun, guys. Last week we took her up to Caesar's Head State Park. Roads that I've never ridden before. They were not the best condition. But had a lot of fun. Really tight curves, tightest curves that I've been on a bike, so yeah, hopefully we have a little fun today. But the traffic's a little crazy right now, so just trying to weave our way through this shit. South Carolina's been a fun experience for me, but it's with a bike, it's very love-hate. Very love-hate. And it's only hate because the roads suck. And when I say the roads suck, it's the road conditions. As you saw last weekend when I was riding, great road, very fun, but terrible condition. And that's just that's the trend here. Getting downtown now. I believe this is a one-way. Oh, another thing about downtown is actually this is where USC is located. So you get a lot of college kids and then a mixture of a lot of homeless. Got a lot of activity going on today. They do a thing every Saturday for the farmers market, so I know they get pretty busy down here every Saturday morning. But look at these roads, man. Just awful. A lot of people. Here's the Capitol building. So many people around. toured around that cemetery has some of the oldest headstones I've seen. Like, so old. But here's the back of the Capitol. Doing this around all the cops around here. But yeah, that's downtown Columbia. Craziest thing about owning a motorcycle is you get so used to going fast that the top speed I know I'm gonna need to get a faster bike here soon because the top speed does not feel that fast to me. So like when I'm going 156 on this, I feel like I'm honestly going about 80 to 90 in a car. I can see everything very clear, everything feels very in control, and I just want to see what it feels like to go like 210 miles per hour. So, you know, one day we'll look at a second bike hopefully and get something faster, but As far as the Supersport though, it does everything you want a bike to do. It's comfortable, it looks amazing, it sounds great, and it still goes fast. It has a lot of get up and a lot of torque. So like, realistically, this bike is absolutely amazing for just like rides like this, short rides. You can still take it on a track. It'll beat any 600 out there, usually. And I don't know, I love this bike. That's all I can really say about it. It's been a phenomenal bike, and I don't even know how many miles I have on this thing now. I think I have 18,000 miles on it, and I still love to get on it every single time I do, especially with this new exhaust. Fish swimming up sea, bro. Can't stand slow Harley riders. It's like chess, though. You just gotta plan your next move. That's all it is. And like, a lot of people think that's like scary to do what I just did, but like, my heart rate probably did not increase one bit. Yeah. Oh. That's wild. What are you slowing down for? He's like, probably, that exhaust is really loud. You do not want to chase me in traffic, though, I tell you that. Gosh, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Can try to chase me, but honestly that's not going to work out well. Not in this traffic. Got to be a car that slows me down. These exit ramps. I think it's time for a good little wheelie. It's been a little bit, you know? Never want to go too long between wheelies. Nobody likes that. Oh, look at all that open road.
You know, back a while ago, probably a little over a year ago, was probably like my peak riding skills, and then I didn't get to ride for a little while, but I'm starting to get them back. But you know, before I would get pretty close to the balance point on the wheelie, and I actually just felt the balance point on that wheelie right there, so that felt really good. It's nice to know that it's all coming back finally. Yep. It's been a fun little ride, you know? I haven't been trying to do anything crazy. I still just have jeans on. I mean, you can't be riding too crazy with just jeans on and this mesh jacket. But as soon as you put those leathers on and ride your bike, you just feel like you're in a car. I don't know why. If you fall, you're just gonna bounce a few times off the road and you'll be fine. And we're at officially 945 subscribers. Guys, 55 more to 1,000. That's something I've been saying I'm gonna work on for a very long time now on the channel, since the beginning, is that I'm gonna grind to 1,000 subs. If y'all enjoy and you are subscribed, please do. It really does help me, and it keeps me going. And it's always cool to see new subscribers, new comments from new people. And I always try to answer back to comments as quickly as possible, because I think interaction with your subscribers is pretty neat. I've drawn in a great group of people that are interested in my stuff, and the least I can do is, you know, give my 2 cents about things and give you my information that I know about the bike and what to do on the bike and where to go, or, you know, just stuff like that. So I, again, really appreciate y'all sticking around for this long, if you have, or if you're new. Thank you for coming along. And never feel too shy to say new ideas for me. Like, if y'all want to know how to do something on the bike, or what kind of rides you want to see, if you want to see night rides, day rides, morning rides, if you want to see me go to the mountains more, if you want to see more city rides, just anything, just let me know, because I'm totally down. Totally down for trying new things and, you know, giving the people what they want.